Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Lottie web animations from your UI code. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Lottie web animations from your UI code, first, locate the project directory on your computer. Open the directory in your preferred code editor. Look for the package manager file, such as package.json if you're using npm. Find the Lottie package reference in the dependencies section. This will typically be labeled as LottieWeb or a similar name. Next, remove the Lottie package from your project. If you're using npm, run the command npm uninstall LottieWeb in your terminal. If you're using Yarn, you can use the command yarn remove LottieWeb. Now, check your HTML files for any script tags that reference Lottie. Delete those script tags to eliminate any remaining references to Lottie. Next, review your JavaScript files for any code that initializes or interacts with the Lottie animations. Remove any functions or calls related to Lottie animations from your code. It's also important to check your CSS files for any styles specifically applied to Lottie animations. Delete those styles to clean up unused styles in your style sheets. After making these changes, save all files to ensure your updates are applied. Finally, test your application to confirm that the Lottie animations are fully removed and everything is functioning correctly. By following these steps, you successfully uninstall Lottie web animations from your UI code. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.